Hello again. Welcome to our series about Beyond products. So this is our Osmo pack. It's a 6% hydrogen peroxide that is great when you are working with some special cases and working with people with sensitivity and trying to combine the 35% and the 6% in different steps. So you can always call us and ask us or message us to get some tips on like the combination and some uses for the Osmo pack. So I'm going to show you what comes in the Osmo pack. I love this kit because it comes with some real surprises, and so I love it. So of course it looks like this when you open up the packaging, and you'll see that you have your 5 gels, syringes, and then you have 5 Osmo pens that are great for touch-up, and you can either turn around and sell them or you can gift them. It also comes with your mixing tips. This pack does not include any blue seal because with the 6% there is no need to apply a gingival barrier, which makes it quicker chair time, and also it's a 6% rather than a 35%. So I want to show you the syringe because it is a 6% hydrogen peroxide with our catalyst on the other side. The mixing tip allows for one-step application. You just squeeze the syringe and apply right on the teeth. It makes it so fast and easy. So this syringe is a 3-cycle, 1-patient syringe. Okay, so in the kit also are your face protection cloths and instructions and your Vita shade guides. All right, thank you. We'll hope you love this product.